Okay, the second part of this lesson involves evaluating negative powers. We've already seen this once. Now they're going to throw in negative numbers as bases with these negative power problems. And a simple question I want to ask yourself each time you see a power problem is, what's being raised to the power? Okay, that's a mental question. If you ask yourself that, you're more likely to get the right answer. And when you look at the power, it's affecting exactly one object unless a parenthesis is present like this. So -2 right outside the parentheses means the entire contents of the parentheses, sign and number, are being raised to the negative second power. Whenever you move powers because of negative signs, you're going to move everything that's being associated with that power where it belongs. So the fact that this -3 to the negative second power is in the numerator, the negative power establishes it belongs in the denominator, simply puts the same base, -3, to the positive second power on the bottom. And officially there's a 1 on top being multiplied by this, and there's a 1 on the bottom. Okay, the 1 on top is staying on top to create this nice fraction. Don't get confused with negative numbers and negative powers. Okay, -3 is a negative number being raised to a negative power here. Once we move it to the bottom, the power becomes positive. This base is still negative. This -3 doesn't mean move it again, it just means it's -3. So the power is the thing that establishes whether it's in the wrong place. Once the power is what it should be, positive, then everything's ready to go. And then as far as evaluating this is concerned, keep in mind a power means to multiply whatever the base is, in this case -3 times itself, however many times. So -3 to the second power means that. -3 to the second power means that we're taking this expression, -3, and multiplying it by itself, sign and number both. 2 negatives make a positive, 3 times 3 makes 9, 1/9 is the final answer.